Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to divide fractions. Again, we have that mixed number component right there. So if you have not gone and seen the multiplying fractions video first, go on and hop back and watch that before you come to this, because you're going to need that video to help you with this video. So there is another little song that goes with dividing fractions. So it goes like this: dividing fractions, it's easy as pie. You flip the second and multiply. So what we have to do first is, if you look at your notes down here, we have to determine if there's a mixed number, which there is. So what we have to do in order to change this mixed number, this is again where we have to change it into the improper fraction. So in order to change it into an improper fraction, just like I've shown you in all the other videos, you do the big C method, where you multiply the denominator by the whole number and you add the numerator. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11, and you keep your old denominator. So now we have 11/4 divided by 1/8. So again, with the song, dividing fractions, it's easy as pie. You flip the second and multiply. So we keep the first fraction the same. We are not going to change that at all. So we have 11/4. And then you flip the second. This is what is known as this reciprocal word down here. If you look at this fancy word is the reciprocal. It means the flipped form of a fraction. So we flipped 1/8 and it became 8/1. And then you multiply. So again, flip the second and multiply. Or you can just look at this checklist down here where it says multiply by the reciprocal. Now, the big thing that I want you to notice is you can either multiply like normal, according to our multiplication video where we do top times top and bottom times bottom, and you will get 88/4. What you can do there is then you do top dog in the house. 88 goes inside the house, 4 goes into it 22 times. But if you notice, we simplified at the end. In this problem here, what we can do is do something called cross simplification. When you're simplifying fractions, you always want to have a numerator and a denominator simplifying. So 11/4, we don't want to simplify that. We want to keep it that way. We can never simplify anything by 1, so this 1 down here does us no good. But if we look right here at this 4 and this 8, that is a numerator and denominator combination. So I can simplify both of those. The common simplification with that, the common factor, is the number 4. So if I cross this 4 out, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice. Now I have simplified it up front instead of simplifying it at the end. So now my new one looks like 11/1 times 2/1, which is 22/1, which again simplifies down to this number that we did right here of 22. So I hope this video helps you with dividing fractions.